Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another episode with the Hunt for Larry Hoggins. Hope you guys enjoy the show. Here we go. It's cold last night. Temp got down to 30 degrees. Bass should be moving a little slow today, but hopefully we find some good action. Find them picked up, catch some hogs, find some good Larrys. An angle.
Get a little earlier start today. See if the bite's any different.
Oh, look at all the shad just blow out. Oh man, all over the end of this tree.
Got him.
There we go.
Little mini.
First one of the day in the boat. Got him on the 6 cents cranker?
Yep.
6 cents crankbait.
100X, the big dog. And these little minis are trying to gobble it up. Woo! Ding! Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. Bait fish must be here.
Gotta be. You see any birds like that, it's pretty common that the bait fish aren't too far behind.
Yep.
It's always a good tip to know when you're out bass fishing on a lake.
Pay attention to nature. They'll tell you what's going on.
There we go, Billy.
There we go. Heating up.
There we go.
Heating up.
On the homemade cranker. The homemade paint job. Take it. Right there, buddy. Can't beat that. Dude, all the bass are back by our house. I'll take that. He came right off the shallow, dude. Right on the bank. Check him out.
Oh yeah.
Let's see what we got here.
Decent chunker.
Fish. Not a bad fish at all. I'll take it. There you go.
We are going in the danger zone. Spiders everywhere.
Woo! Woo! Bass on the tongue. Boy, that is a red bait.
Yeah, look at that.
Holy moly. Surprised we can squeak any hogs out of here. Dude, that is flying. Wow. Alright, got it. I'm putting you on speaker. Nice. Good job. Here we go. Good job, Billy. That's what I'm talking about. There we go.
They're small.
We'll take it. That's number 4. Well, Billy.
There we go.
Billy.
Oh.
Feisty, right? The boat. Bam. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Look up at me, just tad. Right there. Yeah, like that. Like that. Flat. Like that. Turn him over that camera. Oh, shad, right here. Right off the tip. Look
Yep.
at them all.
There we go. That's game time, boys.
Found long cats. Oh, they're everywhere right now. What we got?
54.9. There we go.
Got him?
Yep.
Nice.
Decent fish.
Oh, nice one, Billy.
Get in the boat,
Get him
baby.
in the boat. There we go. Glad we came back here.
Now we're talking, son.
Yeah, boom.
Woo!
Son.
Yeah,
There
buddy.
we go.
Got that braid. He wasn't coming off either.
That's what I'm talking about. I'm glad we came back here.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yeah, buddy.
that's what I'm talking. That's a picture taker. Look at this freaking hog. Oof. Beautiful. Let me see that mouth. Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome fish. Awesome fish. And there he goes, ladies and gentlemen.
Back to his home.
High five, Billy. That's what I'm talking about. Boom.
Oh, got him.
Nice. Nice, Billy. Here we go.
The little guy, but I'll take him.
That we will.
I'm gonna have to be very, very careful here. You can see that hook is in his gill. It just missed his gill, barely. I'm gonna have to perform some surgery here. Got it.
Got it?
He's bleeding a little bit. Oh yeah, cut his gill just a little bit. Hopefully he'll be okay. Yeah. There we go.
Oh, look at that.
On the
Look at
glide
this
bait.
greedy guy.
He wanted that crappie. Everybody loves crappie. A little bit of golden crispies. Oh yeah.
That's a big meal for him.
That's awesome.
Glad I caught one on it.
Nice. There we go.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh!
Oh, focus. Nice fish. Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Freaking choked it. That's what I'm talking about. That's a picture taker.
Oh yeah.
Come over the top of me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen,
Another one bites the dust.
I think we finally got him figured out because it's been tough today. Nice bass right there, little mini Larry Hoggins. That's what I'm talking about. Boom.
Oh, look out.
Oh, moly. That was coming.
That was.
That was coming fast with the wind. Right here, I might get one off this big tree.
That would have gave you a black eye.
Give me a buck. Got him, Billy.
There we go.
There we go. These fish are turned on, ladies and gentlemen.
We are in the major bite.
They have turned on. And we're out here and we're catching. Boom.
Right here.
Right here. Here.
Right here. Right here, son.
Oh, now. Get that bad right here.
Give me back my money. That lure don't work. Give me back my money.
I thought about the banjo minnow. Even though I did catch fish on the banjo minnow, that banjo minnow was freaking sweet. Came through for me one time down at the dead end where that water was running. I threw it down there one day. Caught like 6 bass in a row, like back-to-back casts.
The old banjo minnow.
With the banjo minnow. You know about the band.
Natural instinct. Is that what the info commercial?
Genetic
Genetic response. That's what it is.
on the band.
It's a genetic response. The fish have to hit it.
They can't help it.
They can't help it. It's genetic response.
Every time he'd be like, it's a genetic response. These bands have to be genetic response.
Oh.
You might be able to.
Got it.
I thought I had one too.
Felt some tap, 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 tap. Finally, I just ripped his lips off.
That's what I'm talking about.
I ripped your lips.
There he is.
Oh, belly flop.
Belly flop bass.
I think I left my trailer hook on that fence.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh no. If you guys got any questions or concerns, please drop a comment below. If you're curious about any of the gear we're using, or any baits, or anything in general, just let us know. We got you. 24/7 professional staff assistant. Got it, Billy.
There we go.
There we go. Oh. Feisty guy. Bam. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Another bass in the boat. Another good day. Almost hitting, I think we're close to what, 10 bass?
Mm-hmm.
We're right in there. But future little Larry Hoggins right here. Can't beat him. Boom. Nice little slow-mo release. Here we go. Oh, a little head shake. Gotta love it. Got it,
Go.
perfect timing. Look at this little guy. Bam. Beautiful sun-bathed bass. See when those eyes get super amber like that? These are these little buck bass are getting ready for the spawn. So what happens is the pigmentation in their eyes turns from a more yellowish green to a reddish or an amber color. Pretty sweet little tip for you right there. Boop.
Oh my gosh, hog.
Got it. Got it, Billy.
Oh, come off! No. Again.
No!
Again.
Oh!
Again. Why? Why?
Gosh. Just like that. Ladies and gentlemen, Larry has left the building.
I quit.
Wow.
No trailer hook.
Oh, no trailer hook. Larry's gone. Larry's. Did he have you down in some wood?
Yeah, I think he had me.
Oh,
So salty.
Salty dog. Oh man. Got it.
There you go.
There we go. Yeah. Little bitty guy, but we'll take it. Bam. Another little mini Larry. Oh. Give him a good old mouthful of dirt.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Beaver.
Didn't put in the word. Oh, the birds right there. God.
There we go.
Oh,
Oh no.
That was a big one, dude. No. No. Oh my God. Why? Why? Oh. Oh. That is a giant.
Whatever.
Oh. Billy, try this out and tell me, man. It's a lifesaver. Try it.
Incredible hawk. I gotta flex them muscles somehow. They say pull-ups is the best way to strengthen those muscles.
Pull up?
Yep.
Get on. Let's go over to the house.
I'm gonna make a bar in my garage.
Let's go over to the house and get 20 pull-ups every day before we go off the boat.
Yeah.
Gotta get these reps in for these hogs.
Gotta get these traps. Gotta build up my traps for these hogs. Rocky Hog Boa. Yes. Dun, 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 dun.
Rocky Hog Boa. That's hilarious. Rocky Hog Boa. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna get it next to the boat. He's gonna get off. We'll reach down to grab him.
I got braid on. I'm boat and flipping a 10-pounder. I don't care. Got him.
Nice.
Little mini.
There we go. Hook set it right here.
I ripped it.
Right into your gut.
I ripped that one. I was like,
Oh. If I get bit hard, Billy, it's going
Oh.
straight. Oh!
Look
it's
out.
going down.
Look out.
Going down. That's crazy. My body's like, God. God. Oh, dude, I am the champ of little bass today.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Look how yellow he is, dude.
Mhm.
Old yellow. You need to put. Oh, you need to put.
I feel like it too. Telling you, that fish sandwich is the bomb, though.
Shout out to Deutz Village Inn
Oh yeah.
for the awesome fish sandwich
Walleye.
on Good Friday.
Walleye.
World famous Deutz Village Inn, ladies and gentlemen.
Evening.
Like, I have no interest in going past the. Got it.
There
Nice
you go.
one. Here we go. Oh, yeah, that was a slick jump. One more for the camera.
Mm-hmm.
He's done. Here we go, another little buck bass. Another little buck bass. Boom.
Thanks for coming.
Ready? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another episode with Hunt for Larry Hoggins. It is the next day. We decided to get out here and get a little last minute session in right before dark, so stay tuned. Hopefully we catch some hogs.
Just got back from Bass Pro Shops. Picked up some new baits. We're gonna throw these around a little bit, see if we can't catch something just before dark.
Had to make a run to Bass Pro. Picked up this new LuckyCraft hot pink ripper, a little bit of chartreuse on the tail. This thing's pretty sick. Really excited to try this out. See what kind
Picked up an Evergreen Jackhammer.
over here. Shout out to Bellasinos for the awesome lunch today. That meatball sub is on point. Little bitty guy. Hey, that's good though. Got it.
Hot pink.
Look at how fired up he is.
That lure's so bright.
Look at how bright that crankbait is, ladies and gentlemen. That is freaking awesome. These little bass will get you. You gotta watch out. You don't want to end up hooked. Little future Larry right there. Look at that guy. Oh yeah. Bloop. Got him, Billy. Nice one. Oh, that's a hog.
Oh yeah.
Choked it. Not a super hog, but still a gorgeous bass.
The hot pink injection.
The hot pink. Ladies and gentlemen, bam! Look at that beautiful fish right there. That's a real nice fish. Choked it. Big old fatty. Look at the gut on that boy. Look at that boy. Oh man. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm so happy. Right there. The hot pink comes through. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have not thrown a LuckyCraft hot pink crankbait, go get yourself one. Tried and true. Boom. Beautiful fish. Oh, oh my God.
Giant.
Oh my God.
What is that thing? A drum?
Oh, I don't know. Oh.
Drum or buffalo? Carp? Big buffalo.
Jeez Louise, ladies and gentlemen, I thought they just hooked the Larry Hoggins. Wow.
That's what we spooked out of here yesterday. That giant.
Oh, that is amazing. Look at how bright. It looks like he ate it.
Is that a black-eyed buffalo?
That is a black-eyed buffalo. Now I gotta figure out how to get this guy in.
Woo! Fingers.
There you go. These guys are brutal.
Look at the slime on your
Where are my
line.
pliers? Somebody snagged my pliers out of the boat. I got some. Oh, Billy with the save. Oh, look at this guy. Let's get this guy off. There he goes. Look at the slime
Mammoth.
on the line.
Oh,
There
man.
you go.
That's gross.
That was crazy, ladies and gentlemen. What a fight. What a hit. He blasted on top of the surface like he was about a 10-pound bass, didn't he?
That was awesome.
That was awesome. My eyes are covered. Can't see nothing. Look at how cloudy it is in there. Like, fish been stirring up the banks. Isn't that weird? Got it.
There we go.
There we go, Billy, right here. Yeah. Choked it.
Choked it.
Absolutely choked it, ladies and gentlemen. That is what I'm talking about. Dang, way down there. Look, I don't know if you guys can see this, but if you look way back in his throat, you can see a tail. Right there. See it? Little bitty tail. Way back in there, barely sticking out. Little shad or something. Awesome fish. Awesome catch, awesome bass. In the cloud. That was the one because of this crazy color. They're hitting it. Oh, got him. There you go. The Bandito Bug comes through for the win. Shout out to Googan Squad. Shout out to Googan Baits.
Aquarium fish.
Those are the kind of bass the Bandito Bug catch. Hogs. Bam, got him. There you go, Billy.
Little guys.
Talking about.
The minis.
Yeah, but still, getting him in the boat. Build numbers. That white's been on, man. So the experiment is definitely working out today. That Bandito Bug. Seriously, that's ridiculous. Got him, Billy.
There we go.
Nice one. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Yeah. Look at the eyes. He's got the red. See it? He's got the red in him.
Mm-hmm.
He's about to spawn. Little male buck bass. That is awesome. Beautiful fish. There he goes. That's cool how that pigmentation changes on spawn time for those little males. Got it? Nice one.
Little guy.
Oh, there we go.
Getting tired of these minis. Come on.
It's part of the game. We'll find him. We'll find him. Hey, escape man. There we go.
It just goes.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in for another episode of The Hunt for Larry Hoggins. I'm Zach Gaddy. There's my buddy Billy Sansone.
Peace.
Peace. That's all we got. That's it.